In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create the metric average engagement time per session using Google Analytics for data in Looker Studio. Let's dive right in and ensure you have a detailed understanding of this process so you can enrich your data reports with this valuable metric. First, begin by accessing your report in Looker Studio. This is where you'll integrate your Google Analytics 4 data to start the process. From there, go to the menu at the top and select Resource. Under this menu, you'll find Manage Added Data Sources. Click on that option and then select Edit next to your GA4 data source. This step is crucial as it allows you to modify and customize your metrics. Once you are in the data source settings, you will need to add a new field. Look for the option that says Add a Field and click on it. This will open up the formula editor where you'll be creating the new metric. Give your new field a meaningful name. I recommend something straightforward like AVG engagement time per session so that it's easily recognizable later on. Now, it's time to define how this new metric will calculate the engagement time. In the formula field, you'll want to enter the calculation: user engagement divided by sessions. This formula is the key because it divides the total user engagement time by the number of sessions, giving you the average engagement time per session, which is exactly what we're looking to measure. Once you've entered the formula, the next step is to adjust the field type. By default, it's set to number, but we want to change this to duration. This transformation is important because setting it as a duration ensures that the metric is displayed in a familiar time format, such as 2min45 seconds. This way, it becomes more intuitive and understandable for anyone reviewing your reports. After you've made these changes, click Save to confirm the new field, and then Done to exit the editor. This will take you back to your main report setup. Now you can add this new metric to any chart or scorecard within your report. Simply drag and drop it into your desired location, and Looker Studio will automatically display the average engagement time in the correct format. Having this insight readily available allows for a more comprehensive analysis of how users interact with your content over time, helping you to make informed decisions based on real user behavior. And that's it. You've successfully created a new metric to calculate the average engagement time per session, enriching your Looker Studio reports with deeper data insights. Thank you for following along today, and I hope this process helps you in enhancing your data visualization skills. See you in the next video.